What's up, guys? It is What Short, and sorry about the noise outside. My neighbor has been power washing all morning. He has not stopped at all. And I really need to film this because I'm going to be busy the rest of the day. But anyways, we're going to be opening up the McKinnon X Nomatic Accessory case. So while I'm opening this, I hope you guys have enjoyed your week so far. Hope it's been nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get the R5. I'm gonna do some reviews on that. So let's see. So this comes in a little Ziploc bag. So before we get into like the accessory case, I just want to show you guys this like Ziploc bag that it came in. I've actually been keeping these. Nomatic makes like these Ziploc bags are actually like usable for like stuff. So I've been like putting random things in there, mostly wires and other things into these bags. So if you do order off of Nomatic, you could actually reuse these bags. Like the one for the backpack, I still put my backpack in it just so it doesn't collect dust when I'm not using it. So I'm just saying, these Ziploc bags are pretty good, so good on you, Nomatic. You know, you guys make good quality bags that you put the actual thing inside. Anyways, let's go to the accessory case. So this is the accessory case. We should get a large divider and then a small divider. So let's go and open this and see if we actually get that, because the one thing that Nomatic does is sometimes they don't give you the divider, sometimes they do. The zipper, first of all, the zipper is really hard to like go around. Like all the other stuff I got from Nomatic, it was like smoother, but these edges, they get stuck. I don't know if that's gonna like go away over time or just get worse. So yeah, I don't know if these zippers are gonna go like get easier over time or what, but like it's these corners that like it seems to be hard. Anyways, let's see. Nope, this one actually came with the small divider and the big divider, so good for Nomatic actually hooking me up with the right dividers. So this one's smaller than the other ones I've gotten. So this box is extremely small. Comparison is this watch. If you guys wanna see, it's a regular size watch. Kind of like dips into the hole just in case to give you a size comparison. So it this is one kind of mesh pockets here. I guess this would hold smaller accessories, because I've been kind of using my camera cube to hold all my accessories and batteries and all that stuff, but this would also do it. So I guess you could put like an extra lens in here, maybe one lens or two, some batteries, some extra stuff. Not bad. So I'm glad this came with two dividers, because some people have been getting this and just getting just a big divider or just a small divider. Nomatic came through this time and hooked us up with the dividers, so that's awesome. Anyways, that's pretty much it. This is the accessory case. Cannot wait to be using it. Thank you for watching, and you know, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. See ya.